What's going on, guys? Today we got a very exciting video. As you can see behind me, we have the old shop saver that y'all been patiently waiting on to see. And today is the day that we go ahead and fill this bad boy up with some water. Go ahead and get the computer set up on it and get to cutting. We got some 11 gauge here, 3.5 foot by 5.5 foot. That's what we're gonna be using today to test on and get the machine dialed in and play around with it and get familiar with the machine itself. Got the computer and monitor hooked up and plugged in. I had to put the computer down here because the communication wires that hook up to the main computer on the table itself don't reach this far back on the table. So down here she resides. Let's go ahead and turn her on. See if we wired up this plug right. Monitor should shoot on. There we go. First boot up in the shop. Great success. There we go. Now that we got the computer set up, time to get the bed nice and wet. Get these plugged in. And we're ready to turn this bad boy on. Alrighty guys, so we out here looking at the cut that we just did. First ever Jenkins Fabrication CNC plasma cut. And I'd say it went pretty good. The entry points could be a little bit better. You know, that's just a little bit of dialing in on the computer. And these holes right here on the inside, I need to add tabs to them so those stay connected and they're not just a hole. But overall, I say it came out pretty good for the first cut. And there's gonna be plenty more coming soon. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Like I said, plenty more cuts coming soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. Other than that, that's all I got for you today. Peace.